Yeah, there's lots of videos online that explain how to download the attendance log. So this is just one of them, which I'll send you the link for, or the link at the bottom of this video. And this goes through the process of how to download the file to your flash disk. And it's called the attendance log. So once you've downloaded the attendance log, it'll be a file similar to this on this computer. If I open it with Notepad, this is what it looks like with Notepad. So I'll bring it across to the other screen. So that's what it looks like with Notepad. It's got the Enroll ID, which is a unique employee number on the device itself, and the date and the time, and a 1 or a 0, which represents whether it's a clock in or a clock out if they're pushing the buttons. Okay, so now how you can open this with Excel. The easiest way is to open Excel itself, and then go File, Open, Browse, and then you can look for the file itself. You have to change this to all files, star.star, and then you can select the file. Even though it's called .dat, it's just a standard basic text file, and you can say OK, import that. It'll come up like this, and you just leave it as decimated or fixed length, fixed width, because there's fixed spaces between the characters. You go next, you'll see the lines where they break them up, and you go next, and you can say finish. Once you've imported it, you just make this a bit bigger for the date, and if you want to, you can go to the top here, and you can go to data, and you can go filter, and by doing filter, you can have a look for a specific ID over here of a specific person. So what you do is you select none of them, and then if you want to look at Enroll ID number 68, there you'll get the list of all Enroll ID 68's clockings, and you'll be able to see it's in order. In this order over here, you can choose a specific date or a specific period, and you can narrow it down using Excel, and you can see when they clocked in and when they clocked out. And like I say, it should be a 0 or 1 depending on how they're clocking. If they're just putting their finger down, you can't use this. Of course, the easiest way to do exactly what we've done now is to use the Sabre software, which is free. That'll give you everything right through your payroll or payslip, and you can get some very good basic reports, but I'm not going to go into that now. I just thought I'd make this video for you, so you can see, because the client wants to use Excel or wants to use Notepad or doesn't want to load applications